Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Tower of Fantasy for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Tower of Fantasy for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Tower of Fantasy, since that's where we can download the game. So just search for this on your search bar. Make sure to enter it correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download Tower of Fantasy on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download options right here. So here on the options, you can select Steam or Epic Games Store if you have them installed on your device. It will make your download easier, but if you don't have those platforms, then I want you to select this option. And after clicking it, your Tower of Fantasy installer will now be downloaded. So you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So to completely play Tower of Fantasy, you will need to install two parts first. So right here, we will need to install the Tower of Fantasy game launcher first before we can install the actual game. So just click this install button. And then the game launcher will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, the game launcher will now be opened. And here at the game launcher, you can now log in your Tower of Fantasy account if you already have one. But if you don't have an account yet, you can click this register button to create. The process of creating an account here is basically the same as any other games, so you must know how to do it already. That's why I won't need to create a new account. I will just log in my existing account right here. And then just check the agreement circle to agree to their terms and service policy, then click continue. And after that, you will now have your Tower of Fantasy account. So now that you have your account, you can now start installing the actual game by clicking this download button right here. And then the game launcher will show you the total game size and the location where the game's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click browse, then set it to the folder where you want to save it, but if you're already fine with the location, just click install. And after that, there you go guys, the game will now start installing. This might take a lot of time depending on your internet speed since the game's size is kinda big, but just wait for it to finish and then you will be able to play it. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.